What if one of the most powerful natural remedies in the world has been sitting in your kitchen this whole time? I'm talking about cloves. These tiny spice buds may look harmless, but inside them is a powerful natural compound that scientists have been studying for years. Some people claim that eating just 2 cloves a day can improve digestion, freshen breath, support immunity, reduce sugar cravings, and even help with circulation. But is it really true? And what actually happens inside your body after 7 days? Stay until the end because I'll reveal the surprising transformation many people experience.
Welcome to Dr. Food Science, where we break down the truth about what you eat, one bite at a time.
Before we talk about the 7-day transformation, let's understand why cloves are considered one of nature's most powerful spices. The secret lies in a natural compound called eugenol. Eugenol is known for its antibacterial, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory properties. But that's not all. Cloves also contain manganese, vitamin K, fiber, powerful plant antioxidants. Together, these compounds help support healthy digestion, oral health, blood circulation, immune function, and overall wellness. That's why cloves have been used in traditional remedies across many cultures for centuries. At the first 2 days, the first thing many people notice is what happens after meals. Instead of feeling heavy and bloated, the stomach may feel calmer and more comfortable. Cloves naturally stimulate digestive enzymes, helping food break down more efficiently. For some people, this means less gas, less bloating, and improved digestion. By the middle of the week, the antibacterial properties of cloves begin making a difference. Many people notice fresher breath, cleaner feeling mouth, reduced gum irritation. There's a reason clove oil has been used for oral care for generations. The natural compounds help combat bacteria that contribute to bad breath and gum discomfort. If you're learning something new so far, take 1 second to hit the like button. And if you enjoy simple natural health tips backed by science, subscribe now because we post new health videos every week. Now let's continue because the next benefits are even more surprising. Around day 5, some people report feeling warmer hands and feet. Why? Because cloves may help support healthy blood circulation. Healthy circulation allows oxygen and nutrients to move more efficiently throughout the body. And when circulation improves, energy and overall wellness often improve too. Your immune system works every second of every day. Cloves contain antioxidants that help protect cells from oxidative stress. Some people notice that mild congestion feels easier or that they simply feel more refreshed and resilient. While cloves aren't a cure for illness, they may support the body's natural defenses. Now, by the end of the week, many people describe something unexpected. They simply feel better. More energy, less sluggishness, fewer cravings for sugary snacks, and sometimes even healthier-looking skin. No miracle, no magic, just the potential effects of consistent healthy habits. So what happens when you eat 2 cloves every day for a week? You may experience better digestion, fresher breath, improved circulation support, stronger immune support, reduced sugar cravings, more energy. Cloves won't perform miracles overnight, but this tiny spice contains powerful compounds that may support your overall wellness when used responsibly. Sometimes the smallest things can have the biggest impact. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new today, subscribe and turn on notifications. We're uncovering more hidden health secrets from everyday foods and natural ingredients. And before you go, tell me in the comments, have you ever tried cloves before? I'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.